What's up guys? Welcome to the Internet Mula. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your website to BlueHost. So let's go ahead and start. As you guys can see here, to add a new website we're gonna click websites and then we're gonna click add website. So once you do that, choose WordPress if you want a brand new website. If you want to transfer a WordPress website, you can choose this one. But if you want to create a blank website environment, you can choose this one. For me, I'm gonna choose WordPress because we're gonna use WordPress to build our website. So click WordPress, and then WordPress gonna install, is gonna build the website for us. So let's give it some time. So now if we refresh the page, we're gonna find our new website created, which is this one. And as you guys can see, we can now link the domain name with this website and start building the website on WordPress. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.